Very good evening and welcome to ABC4 News here at 10 o'clock. I'm Sarah Murphy.
And I'm Brian McElhatton. We're glad you're with us tonight. We begin with the discussion of domestic violence and the disadvantage many undocumented immigrants have here. They fear deportation if they report the problem to police.
We're thinking about this topic after a murder-suicide in West Jordan sparked, police say, by domestic violence. We learned one of the victims, the mother of the family, apparently stayed with her reportedly violent husband because her family was undocumented and she feared being deported if she reported the violence to police. We're going to hand it over to our Mackenzie Diaz tonight, who's learning more on this.
She's live in Salt Lake City with her report. Mackenzie, what are you learning here?
Well, after what happened in West Jordan, I wanted to figure out how common this was in Utah and what can be done, if anything. And lawyers are saying that this is a lot more common than you'd think.
Right now, it's way more prevalent than it has been in the past.
Immigration attorney Adam Craig is talking about what happened in West Jordan. Police say the father had a history of domestic violence and set the fire that killed his wife and 2 children. Police say that mother never reported the abuse out of fear she'd be deported.
Do that.
Craig says this is common. Victims of domestic violence often stay quiet.
They stay being subjected to the abuse that they've been suffering from.
One option for victims is a U visa, a non-immigrant visa for victims of certain crimes that provides protection to those who assist law enforcement.
You have to come forward, whether you get picked up or not, right? If ICE picks you up and if you don't have any criminal history, and you don't have a prior deportation, and you get taken into ICE custody, we have the ability to get them out under a bond. We have the ability, and it would be a very low bond, because they're going to be eligible for a U visa.
If approved, the U visa lets someone live and work in the U.S. legally for about 4 years. And after 3 years, they're eligible to apply for a green card. But Craig says there are risks.
By placing their names on documents that go to the government, they now have the exact location. The government has the exact location where they can be found.
And it's not a quick process. It used to take months, but Craig says delays have gotten worse since President Trump took office this year.
About 6 to 8 years to actually get granted.
Salt Lake County District Attorney saying no one should suffer in silence.
Family and friends, certainly there are resources that are available. You have the South Valley Sanctuary, you've got the YWCA, and different organizations that can help those victims who are being abused in intimate partner violence.
And Craig wants to remind crime victims to come forward before it's too late. Reporting in Salt Lake City, Mackenzie Diaz, ABC4 News.
Okay, we appreciate those updates, Mackenzie. Thank you very much. We also want to remind you at home, if you or someone you know is a victim of domestic violence, there are resources available to you. You can find help by reaching out to Utah's Domestic Violence Coalition. That phone number on your screen, it's 1-800-897-5465, and that line is open 24 hours a day.
A good resource.